Hello, E-Monkeyians. It's E-Monk here, and today we are going over my date night Harley makeup. Yay! It's a decently fast tutorial. A lot of time, though, but it's alright. We're going to use some primer. This is the type I use. I haven't found a haven't found a primer that I'm 100% happy with yet. This one, hurts a little when I put it on, but I have very sensitive skin, but use the primer that you prefer. And then I'm also using eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. Now this stuff is amazing. I do highly recommend this, but you'll notice in this tutorial I tend to use a lot of Urban Decay stuff, but it's because it's the best makeup I've found that hasn't broken me out as of yet because of my sensitive skin. And I'm also using Urban Decay Full Spectrum, the eyeshadows for it. I'm using the gold, and I'm gonna put it right on the inside of my eye halfway. Yeah, see? And you're gonna blend it out the best that you can over your eye. You have to make sure that primer potion dried first though. But make sure you put a couple layers of it on. It's pretty pigmented whenever you put it on, but I would suggest just for safety, make sure you do 2 or 3 layers of it. And now we're gonna be using the pink that I have on there. I use the middle section of pink on that row. And then we're gonna put it on the outside of our right eye, because, you know, that's the way it is. I don't know if this is her actual makeup, this is just what I did. And then we're going to use the middle dark blue on your left side. Now the blues in this palette are really, really strong and pigmented, so you won't need much at all, trust me. And make sure you drag it out to the bottom of your eye a little bit. So, yeah. And then now we're going to use eyeliner. This is what I used in this tutorial. It's Lay Crayon Kohl. I actually found something else, but this is what I currently use. It's not too bad. It's pretty good. It's alright. I use liquid eyeliner now, but this one lasted for a decent while, so it was pretty good for the time being. And like I said, this isn't the exact look. I don't know what it is, so this is just what I used. And this is Urban Decay 0.5 shade when it comes to foundation. This is the best foundation for me because I'm pretty pale, and this one matches my skin tone the best. It looks odd in this lighting, and I'm sorry for the horrible lighting, but this is the best that I had at the point in time because we were in a hurry, but I found this is the best foundation for me. So if you're a light user, use that one. Better Than Sex is the best mascara I have ever used in my life. It doesn't need much, and it's full coverage. It's just amazing. And I also put falsies in, of course. I'm finally getting used to these falsies, and I use Eyelure falsies. I love these falsies. They're so dramatic and perfect for this type of, style that she wears, because it's so glamorous. It just makes me feel so pretty. But they're decently heavy, but you can get used to them. So, but I like them. I like them a lot. So I would highly recommend these. Yeah, see that dramatic eye difference? I love it. And then now we're going to use Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter. This is going to contour our face. You're going to use the darker parts, to shape out your nose and show off your cheekbones, things like that. Yeah, dark like that. And then you blend it out the best you can. And then you go back and use the highlighter that's also in this kit and go right above the dark lines that we added there. But you see how it shows off my cheekbones? Much better. Yeah, and make sure you get that Cupid's bow. Those things. And I also use Urban Decay Aura, and I kind of use it all over my face. Not fully all over the face. I use it kind of like a blush type of thing, even though I shouldn't, but I love it to death. And I also use Naked Skin. This is to help my under eye bags, because I got them, because I have kids. And you blend that out the best you can. And as you can see, I'm using like a beauty blender. And I also use NYX finishing powder to set everything, so that way it doesn't go everywhere. And now we're going to get onto the lips. I use Ultimate Ozone by, I believe this one's by Urban Decay as well, as a primer. And then 24/7 lip pencil. It's like a pinkish tone. So it's what I had. I didn't have any red, so I used it to line my lips. And I've also used a Vice liquid lipstick. I love this one. This one's like my favorite. It's called Trap Queen. Oh my goodness, it's my favorite red. And I also use Vice Special Effects as well, the red. I don't know what that one's called, but it gives it a more glittery shine. It's just so pretty. And here's the finished makeup look. I figured since that was bad lighting, I went to my bathroom. That way y'all could see it. Set everything with all-nighter spray, and you're good to go. Happy cosplaying!
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.